Over $300 million worth of pistachios are cracked open each year. Let's explore the fascinating journey of these crunchy delights. The journey of pistachios begins in vast orchards, where trees take several years to mature before producing nuts. Harvesting typically occurs in late summer to early fall, when the pistachios are fully ripe. Timing is everything. Harvesting too early leads to immature nuts, while waiting too long can affect their quality. Mechanical tree shakers gently shake the trees, causing the ripe pistachios to drop to the ground. Machines then sweep up the fallen nuts, along with their soft outer husks, and transport them to collection points. The pistachios, still encased in their husks, are swiftly sent to the factory for further processing. Quick transportation is important for freshness and quality before the husks are removed and the nuts undergo additional preparation, ensuring they retain their premium taste and texture when they reach consumers. After arrival in the processing plant, pistachios are transported via a ramp conveyor to the separator, which is the first machine in the processing line. The primary function of the separator is to break up clusters of pistachios, removing branches and leaves. Additionally, it peels some nuts, reducing the amount of unwanted material before moving on to the next stage. This improves the efficiency of the system as the pistachios proceed to dry peeling, where around 70% of nuts are peeled using an abrasion technique. Following this, the pistachios enter a washing, scrubbing, and peeling stage. This machine, known for its efficient use of water and energy, separates pistachios based on their physical characteristics. Using water flow, lighter nuts, often empty or incomplete, float, while heavier, intact nuts sink to the bottom. This method effectively filters out any contaminated or defective pistachios, resulting in a batch of clean and healthy nuts ready for further processing. Drying and sorting is the next step in pistachio processing. Proper drying is essential, as moisture in pistachios can lead to problems like toxic fungus, compromising the quality of the final product. To achieve optimal results, the pistachios are dried using a fully automatic dryer. This innovative dryer features sensors that monitor temperature, pistachio volume, and moisture levels, all controlled by a PLC processor. By combining both cool and warm air, the dryer uses indirect heat and airflow to reduce the moisture content of the pistachios to 9%. After drying, the pistachios undergo a sorting process. Floating pistachios are subject to additional stages, including the null remover and the needle-based separator. The null remover uses airflow to separate unwanted particles and nuts with diverging knots, ensuring only high-quality pistachios remain. The next step involves the needle-based separator, which precisely differentiates between open shell and closed shell nuts using microneedles. The accuracy of this device can vary depending on the variety of pistachios. This meticulous drying and sorting process ensures the production of high-quality pistachios ready for next steps. The roasting and salting process is important for enhancing the flavor and texture of pistachios. First, the nuts are placed in large industrial ovens where they are roasted at carefully controlled temperatures, typically between 15 to 30 minutes depending on the desired flavor. Some factories use wood-fired ovens, which give the pistachios a unique smoky flavor. Roasting not only brings out the deep, rich flavors of the pistachios, but also gives them that satisfying crunch consumers love. After roasting, the pistachios move on to the seasoning stage. In large tumbling machines, the nuts are evenly coated with various seasonings. While classic sea salt is popular, other flavors like chili lime or honey may be used. For enhanced flavor, oils or glazes may be added before seasoning to help the spices adhere, creating a consistent, flavorful experience with every bite. This meticulous process ensures that roasted and salted pistachios are packed with flavor and crunch. Modern AI-powered sorting devices from VSEE are used in the sorting stage of pistachio processing to guarantee accuracy and productivity. These machines, using deep learning technology, divide pistachios into 8 distinct categories simultaneously. The categories include closed-mouth pistachios, overly large open-mouth pistachios, pistachio kernels, yellow pistachios, black pistachios, and pistachios sorted by size: small, medium, and large. This meticulous sorting process ensures that each pistachio is correctly categorized, enhancing the overall quality and consistency of the final product. By employing cutting-edge technology, factories can efficiently sort pistachios for various uses and ensure that only the best nuts reach consumers. In quality control, pistachios go through a meticulous process to ensure only the best nuts are packaged. First, they are sized and sorted using a large rotating drum equipped with thousands of tiny pins to separate open pistachios from the closed ones. After this, they pass through advanced optical color sorters for further grading. A final quality check is conducted by a team of experienced hand sorters, ensuring compliance with USDA standards. Once sorted, the nuts move on to roasting. Rotary roasters are used for a more consistent roast compared to other methods. Packaging follows, playing a crucial role in preserving quality, reducing waste, and minimizing preservatives. Automation, including the Delcore line with robotic arms and cameras, has enhanced packaging and palletizing. These machines ensure cases are correctly marked, strapped, and prepared for shipping, maintaining product integrity throughout the process. Pistachios are packaged and distributed using an automated system capable of processing 80 to 90 bags per minute. The Expedia, a high-speed vertical form fill and seal machine, can handle various bag sizes, from small retail packs to larger club quantities. This system, paired with the Primo Combi Weigher, ensures accurate portioning and efficient packaging. The compact design of the packaging line allows for easy handling. Once packaged, the pistachios are ready for shipment, ensuring they arrive fresh and well-sealed for retail distribution. Pistachios are meticulously packed utilizing the Delcore line, a sophisticated automated packaging system with robotic arms and video technology throughout the boxing and shipping stage. This system ensures that each package is handled with precision and efficiency. Continuous improvements in palletizing processes mean that cases are accurately marked, securely strapped, and swiftly moved to the shipping area. As the U.S. market leader in pistachios, Wonderful Pistachios excels in delivering eye-catching, high-quality displays at the point of sale. Through rigorous food safety and quality assurance standards, including state-of-the-art pasteurization techniques, the company meets or exceeds all FDA and USDA regulations, ensuring customers receive only the best. This meticulous approach guarantees timely delivery of fresh pistachios to consumers across the country. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from the orchard to your snack bowl of pistachios. Be sure to check out our next video on how macadamia nuts are processed as well.